Here with you this evening. A nice hand, please, for all the folks who put this together and make this a wonderful community event for us to come to. And nowadays when there's something for free, we have to celebrate. Because that doesn't happen every day, yeah?
Yeah.
No. Kamola Kimokio over there on the guitar joining me tonight. And I'm grateful for his presence because, as I said earlier, when I was recording my music, most of it, Kamola wasn't even born.
When I was born, his songs were classics already.
So as you notice, we didn't play any of that Romana stuff tonight. Except for this one. This is a song that was written by my friend and my mentor. Her name was Emma. Kalani Kawiki Alane Okili Olani Nuya Mamahu Opi Iva Hine Kiakale Hilinaka Puoloki Okalani Akia Defreeze. And during the mid-1970s and to the early 80s, Auntie Emma was a very big presence in our life, making sure that we understood our Kuleana as children of these islands, helping to guide us to what we need to share in our music. In Hawaiian culture, the metaphor of the lei is a very precious one. You hear it in our music, you hear it in our chants. When someone makes a lei for somebody, they're not just sowing flowers, they're attaching their best intentions, love, respect, consideration. So when that lei is worn close to the heart, we hope all of those things transfer. This song takes the thought one step further, suggesting that long after the physical elements are powered, the intention that went into the making of the lei continues. The making of the relationship, the making of the love, the making of the aloha. For that is the love of the Spirit. That's the kind we can count on and call on always. And whenever we sing this song, those that we love are drawn close. And this evening, we share this in memory of one more voice that we hold very close. Our dear friend Ernie Cruz Jr. Passed away yesterday. It has been a moment of dismay for most of us. Ernie was such a vibrant spirit, such a happy person to be around. Someone who loved being Hawaiian, someone who loved being in the ocean. And that's where he left us, doing exactly what he loved to do. So we will miss Ernie, but we know that all of the things that we have shared with him over the years, those memories, those relationships, those fun times, they stay with us. And we are very happy that my Kaneohe girl came to town, folks, one more time this evening, Miss Nalani Badua Fernandez. And Well, these words of love say that you are as a flower lady whose beauty will never fade. And throughout all of life, even eternity, I know in my heart you will always be with me. And so we find ourselves waiting here, waiting for you, and all the divine energies that surround us to come and make sure this love that is shared always remains to be.
Beautiful. One more time, a big round of applause for beautiful Hula and of course, Pamuela Kimokeo and Jerry Santos. Ano ho?